Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out Khan Academy. Very easy and simple. So all you need to do, let me come here to the home page and show you. Right, I see my username right here, right? So all you need to do is go ahead and click on your username here and click on this arrow. It will bring a drop down of options. Okay. And all you need to do is click on this last option that says log out. So if I go ahead and click on this option, it will log me out. Let me actually go ahead and show you. So I'll click on this and there we go. We're getting logged out right now. We just have to wait for a little bit. And now we have been redirected to the home page. As you can see, I'm currently logged out. I can go ahead and log in again really easily. Just click on login, or I can sign up for another account. Really that easy and simple.